Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Biomed. Today I'm going to show you guys about something that's extremely irritating, and that's the fact that the algorithm for the LinkedIn newsfeed, it shows you content often from weeks ago, stuff that is completely irrelevant to you, stuff that's outdated. It's getting worse and worse. So I'm going to show you guys really quick how to go ahead and to change that for yourself, and it's going to start by coming down here to settings. So you click on your profile picture, you go down to settings, and let's see how I can do this when everything's backwards. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down to account preferences, and then down here there is something called feed preferences right there. Now on feed preferences, there's two options. One of them is their preferred method, and the other one is showing you the latest and greatest, the most recent. Well, if you allow them to show you what they want to show you, then it has to meet their algorithm, and it's often stuff that's days or weeks old. All day today and yesterday, I've had things that are 3 and 4 weeks old being posted. I don't get it. It's frustrating, and often it's the same stuff from some of the same people again and again and again. The same post for 3 weeks I've been seeing pop up. So finally I get motivated enough that I'm going to have to go in and switch it myself. So we go in, switch it to most recent posts. And then you back out. Boop. And now it's going to show me all the most recent posts. Guys, these algorithms are starting to drive me crazy. The fact that they're showing me what they want to show me. It's often relevant to events that I didn't go to, or events for other industries, just some really weird stuff. And the worst part is showing me the same events for weeks. Even though I know many of you guys are constantly posting some really cool updates, I don't get to see them, and that means that you guys don't get to see them either. So go in, especially to the app on your phone, change your feed preferences to the latest post. That way there you can stay current with what's going on and not just the stuff that's trending or what they say is trending. Thanks for watching, guys.